Hi everyone, I'm going to make a quick review of this product, Nature-Made Vitamin C. This product is a dietary supplement containing of 1000 milligrams of vitamin C in each of its tablets, and the benefit of this product is to help support your immune system and also help neutralize free radicals in your body. From the side of National Institute of Health, there are 4 main benefits of vitamin C. Number 1 is to prevent cancer. From epidemiologic evidence suggests that higher consumption of fruits and vegetables is associated with lower risk of most types of cancer. This most likely because of high vitamin C content inside of the fruit and vegetables that we consume. And the second is, the number 2 benefit is to cancer treatment. The vitamin C has beneficial to reduce the cancer activity in your body, and can help you to survive and increase your quality of life for someone with terminal cancer. And number 3, vitamin C can reduce the risk of your cardiovascular disease. And number 4, vitamin C can reduce the chance of having age-related macular degeneration and also the cataracts. And number 5, the vitamin C can also prevent and treat the common cold. This is I highly recommend you to take this kind of vitamin C to prevent you from cold, especially from this pandemic of coronavirus. You can see more description of this product from the link below under this video. And this is the product link, the product description from Amazon.com. You can have one bottle of this Nature-Made Vitamin C for 100 tablets in each of its bottle, and you can get it for only $18.99. And there are also about so many ratings and answer, and the ratings is about 4.7, which is very good. And that's all I can say about this product. If you are interested in this product, the link of this product is under this video. Thank you.